Hi, our first mini game is a simple click game. Depending on what you click on, your score will increase or decrease. Last session we prepared our project. Now select a sprite as coin. You can drag and drop it on the scene or right click 2D sprite square. We call it coin. Give the coin a sprite to that. We need to add a box glider 2D to it. Let's make a folder for codes. The first script is coin collection and score manager 1. We add a text to show the score text. Adjust the size, then press Alt and dock it to the top. Duplicate that. We will use it to show a score number. We make the score manager a singleton because it is easier to call it in other classes. Here we have the score text and the integer to store the value. Let's write a function for adding a score. Whatever the amount is, it is added to a score and then displayed in text holder. In coin collection script, we write on mouse down function because we want something happen when we click on the object. We call the add score function from score manager class. Let's make the score public so each object can have their own value from inspector, and they must disappear after clicked on. Make an empty game object and give the score manager to it. Assign the score text to that. Give coin collection code to coin. We can even add enemies that when you click on them, they reduce your score because they have negative values. Duplicate them to populate the scene. You can change the colors too. Change some coin size and give it more value. Don't forget to give the enemies box glider. Now, this is the final result. You can add sound effect and animation or make the objects randomly spawn, which we do this in the next minigame.